Indian economic updates.
India is set to become Apple's third largest market by 2026, following the US and China, with local iPhone sales expected to rise by 20% to 15 million units in 2024. Apple, currently the fifth largest market, is benefiting from increased financing options, festive discounts, and a shift towards premium products as consumer incomes grow. Meanwhile, Apple's market share in China has fallen significantly due to the resurgence of Huawei, dropping from 24% in late 2023 to 14% in Q3 2024. In contrast, Apple's share in India is steadily growing, with estimates predicting shipments will reach 12.5 million units in 2024, boosted by strong festive demand. The Reserve Bank of India has warned that it will impose stricter regulations on unsecured lending if banks and finance companies do not improve their practices. In its latest banking report, the RBI called on lending institutions to prudently manage unsecured exposures to avoid systemic risks. While banks' profitability has risen and bad loans are at a 13-year low, concerns remain about interconnectedness between lenders and private credit firms, high staff turnover, lax loan underwriting, and increasing cyber fraud. The RBI also emphasized the need for better KYC processes, tighter monitoring of gold loans, and warned against digital lending malpractices. Additionally, it suggested prohibiting prepayment penalties on floating-rate loans for small entrepreneurs. Global Capability Centers, GCCs, are poised to drive significant job growth in 2025, with an anticipated 18 to 20% surge in hiring, creating 340,000 to 380,000 new roles. This expansion will build on the existing 1.9 million jobs, underscoring GCC's role as strategic innovation hubs for global enterprises. Growth will span traditional sectors like banking, financial services, insurance, healthcare, and retail, alongside emerging areas such as travel, logistics, and quick-service restaurants. Key roles in artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud architecture, and cybersecurity will be in high demand, alongside expertise in digital product management and customer experience design. Companies like Oracle, EY, Amazon, and Microsoft are actively recruiting over 500 professionals, with positions expected to materialize early next year. Housing prices across the top 7 Indian cities surged 30% in 2024, with Delhi NCR leading the growth due to strong demand for luxury homes. However, new home sales fell by 4%, largely affected by the general and state elections, especially in Maharashtra. Average residential property prices rose 21%, reaching 28,590 rupee per SQ foot by Q4 2024. Despite a decline in sales volume, the total sales value increased by 16%, driven by higher prices and larger unit sizes. The luxury housing segment saw a 24% rise in supply, continuing the trend for larger, premium homes. In 2025, price hikes are expected to stabilize, but demand and supply in the luxury sector will remain strong.